Tired of rubber banding and lag costing you clutches in Rainbow Six Siege? Let's get your connection smoother than a perfectly placed smoke. First up, we're diving into your network. The most impactful step is often ensuring your PC or console is directly connected to your router with an Ethernet cable. This bypasses the potential interference and instability of Wi-Fi, giving you a more reliable link. Next, let's optimize your router. Restarting your router and modem can clear out temporary glitches, so unplug them for about 30 seconds, then plug them back in while they're booting up. Consider checking your ISP's status page for any reported outages in your area. Now, inside Siege, we need to dial in your graphics. Press Escape to open the Options menu. Then navigate to display. Lowering your resolution scale from 100% can significantly help if your hardware is struggling to keep up. Reducing input lag. Experiment with slight reductions first. Still feeling it? Head over to the Graphics tab. Turn off VSync, as this can sometimes introduce input delay. Also, consider reducing or turning off settings like ambient occlusion and screen space reflections. These can be quite demanding and aren't always essential for competitive play. Finally, a quick check of your internet speed. Search for an online speed test and run it while Siege is closed. Look at your ping. Ideally, it should be below 50 milliseconds to your nearest servers. If it's consistently high, there might be an issue with your ISP or your home network setup.